Good morning students. I hope you all are doing fine. So today students, in this video we are going to take up our new topic, that is models. Some of you may be knowing it as modals. Okay. So students, what are models? What does models do? Models are the verbs used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. Okay. So models are the verbs. Models are verbs used to express mood or attitude of the speaker. Am I clear? Models are used as a verb to express mood or attitude of the speaker, of the person. Now, for example, can, could, will, would, shall. This all comes under what? Modals. Now, models are used to give advice, suggestions, make polite requests, to seek or give permission, and to give invitation. So here we are being told for what models are being used or modals are being used. So models are used to give what? To give advice, make suggestions, make polite requests, to give permission or to give invitation. Now, most commonly used models are can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, dare, need. These are some of the most common modals that we commonly use. Now some of the features of modals would be, so beta, models are types of verb. Models are type of verbs. They cannot be used as the main verb in a sentence. So models are verb, but they cannot be used as a main verb. Okay, another feature is model do not change form according to number or person of the subject. Okay, models do not change form. They help to express ability, possibility, permission and obligation. Models are used to express what? Obligation, permission, ability and what? Possibility. Now, they can be used only in the form of helping verb. So बेटा main verb की तरह use नहीं हो सकते, helping verb की ही तरह use होते हैं. They do not have ing or ed form. Okay, they do not have these verbs. Don't have ing form or ed form. They don't end with ing or ed. Okay. Now, possibility and ability. Ability. In possibility and ability, can, could, be able to, would be. Okay. Firstly, we would be talking about can, could, and be able to. This comes under what? This comes under possibility or ability. This comes under possibility ability or ability. Okay. Now, can is used to express ability or to state that something is possible. Okay, can क्यों use होता है? Can is used to express that something is possible. ठीक है? Or to express the ability. So he can swim across the river very fast. He can swim across the river very fast. So here we are talking about the ability of the person. Okay, can is helping us to express the ability of that person. Rita can come here in the evening if she is free. Okay, so if she is free is showing us, is expressing us the possibility कि रीता यहाँ आ सकती है अगर वो फ्री है. So if she is free तो वो यहाँ आ सकती है, तो वो पॉसिबिलिटी है, आ भी सकती है, नहीं भी आ सकती है. A gymnast can somersault easily. So ये उसकी एक जिम्नास्ट की एबिलिटी होती है कि वो somersault कर सकता है. Okay, a gymnast can somersault easily. So this is describing the ability of the gymnast. Am I clear? Now can has only two forms. So now we are talking about how can be used. Okay, it can be used in two forms: present या फिर other one is past. So can be used in two forms, and that is present or past. For example, for the present, I can make decisions I can make delicious fruit salad. Okay, I can make delicious fruit salad. So here can is describing what? Present, that he can make delicious fruit salad. But if it is said, I could dance well in my childhood. So if it is said, example, I could dance well in my childhood, then could is describing about what? About the past. Okay, can here is talking about the present. I can make delicious fruit salad, so it's talking about the present. But I could dance well in my childhood. Now here we are talking about the past, कि वो past में बहुत अच्छे से डांस कर लेता था जब वो अपने चाइल्डहुड में था, मतलब जब वो बच्चा था तो वो बहुत अच्छा डांस कर लेता था. But be able to can be used in all tenses. Okay, जैसे can केवल प्रेजेंट और पास्ट में यूज हो सकता है, बट जो be able to है इसमें हम तीन चीजों की बात कर रहे थे ना. इसमें हम हेडिंग में क्या थी? पॉसिबिलिटी और एबिलिटी में can, could and be able to. So we have already talked about can and could. Now we are talking about be able to. So be able to is being used in all tenses. Okay, that means present, past or the future. Be able to could be used in all the three tenses. The negative form of can is cannot. Okay, now here negative of can is what? Cannot. And it could also be written as can't. I can't means I cannot. So can का नेगेटिव फॉर्म क्या हुआ? cannot, और इसको can't भी लिखा जा सकता है. Now sometimes it is possible to use be able to in place of can. Okay, sometimes we can use be able to in place of can. For example, he is able to speak French. It was written as he can speak French, so it could be changed to he is able to speak French. The mechanic has not been able to repair the washing machine. Okay, I will not be able to accompany you to the market today. So in this we are replacing can with what? Be able to. Can, could shows possibility, ability or capacity to do something in the present and past, or to be able to determines or shows the possibility or ability in all past, or sorry, in all tenses. Okay, now you would be doing the exercise on your own. Let's move on to asking things. Okay, in this can, could and be able to, we were talking about possibility and ability. Now in this another topic, that is asking for things. In this also we will be talking about can, could, may or will. Okay. So can, could we have used for possibility and ability. We would be using can, could for asking about the things. Example, to ask for things, कुछ पूछने के लिए, to ask for something we use can or could. For example, can I borrow your pen? So you are asking for something, that's why heading is given asking for things. So you would say, can I borrow your pen? So beta, in this you are asking a question that can you take his pen, his or her pen. Okay. So in this can, could, will and may is being used to ask question. May I go to drink water? So you are asking for things, you are asking question. May I go to drink water? So here you are using may to ask something, to ask for the things. Could you make me a cup of coffee, please? Could you make me a cup of coffee, please? So in this also you are asking for something from some other person. When you are going to ask for something, that can you please switch on the fan? Can you please stop talking? So in this you are asking for what? Asking for certain things to be done. And in this asking for thing, can, could, may and will is used. Am I clear? Like may is also possible, but being very formal is not preferred. However, we can use will if we like. Will you switch on the TV, please? We can also use will. Rohan to his colleague, may I drive your car today? So you are asking Rohan. Rohan is asking to his colleague that can he drive his car today? Now let's move on to another. Can is informal, may is formal, and could is very polite. The choice depends on the situation, the speaker's relation to the listener. Okay, so one more thing is important, beta. क्या होता है? Can is used for informal question. Now, could, or you can say may. May is used for formal, and could is used for very polite question or very polite things. If you say, could I borrow your pen? So you are making a very polite request. You are asking something very politely. But if you say, can I ask you a question? Can I sit with you? Okay. So these are very informal questions. But if you say, may I go to toilet? May I go to drink water? May I come in? So these are very formal questions that you are asking. Okay. So now we know where we have to use can, could or may. Now for example, I am just giving you one example from the exercise. Take the appropriate models. Consider the speaker and the person being addressed while using the morals. For example, first one, Auntie said to Rita, can, could, may within brackets, you bring a glass of orange juice for me. So the answer would be, Aunt said to Rita, can you bring a glass of orange juice for me? So can is being used for informal things. Okay. So the answer is can. Now the last one, Aditya said to his brother, you within brackets can, could, may take it from the cupboard. Okay. So Aditya said to his brother, you can take it from the cupboard, because can once again shows informal things. Now asking for or giving permissions. Asking for and giving permissions. So may, can, could. These are, now we know for which form these things are used. May is used for formal, can for informal, could very polite. Okay, so now we know where these are used. Now we are going to also know that may, can, could is asked for, is used for asking something or giving permission for something. For example, it is Samira's birthday party and his friends have gathered for the celebration. So, mother, Samira, now you can cut the cake. So, she is asking for, now you can cut the cake. Samir, Mama, can I eat a large piece of the chocolate cake? So, once again, Samir is asking a very informal question and is asking for what? For permission. Can I eat a large piece of the chocolate cake? Mother giving the permission says, yes, you can. Can is used for informal and can, could or may is used for asking something or giving permission. So here she gives permission by saying, yes, you can. You can serve cake and wafers to your friend. She is also saying that you can serve wafers and cake to your friends also. Am I clear? Mama, sorry, next example. Manas Samir, can I have more cake? Now here Samir is asking, Manas is asking to Samir that can he eat? Can, once again asking for, so asking for very informal question, and he is asking that can he eat some more cake? Can he have some more cake? Samir, you sure can. Samir says, yes, of course you can. Okay. So he is giving the permission. Mother says, Samir, can you look after your friends? So mother is asking Samir, can you look to your friends? Can you look after your friends? Ravi, Auntie, may I have some wafers? Okay, so here Ravi is asking very formally something that may I have some more wafers? Okay, now the mother says, yes, you may, Ravi. So she is giving the Ravi the permission that yes, he could. Could you switch on the fan, please? The switchboard is right behind you. Now she is asking Ravi very informally very formally here. So beta, we would be talking about this heading in our next class. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care.